Hey there, guys. Welcome back to Mr. Junior Dev. And check this out. I know what you guys are thinking. Another video on Dogelon Mars. That's correct. Another video on Dogelon Mars because you guess what? Like I said, it's rising again. Check today, 10.9%. It keeps on with that momentum. It doesn't stop. It just keeps on climbing. So look at this today, around 10%. Now, if we look at the 3-month chart, as you can see, this is basically its floor. This is the new level that it's at. And if we head over to the 1-year chart, the 1-year chart speaks for itself. Do you see that momentum? Goes right up, 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 climbs, then round about about 0.1308, and then starts to drop again, it dips a bit, and then it climbs again, and then it maintains that level, and then drops again, and now it's climbing again. And this seems to be, this looks like this is the start of a bull run for Dogelon Mars, similar to Shiba Inu about a month or two back. So yeah, guys, there's a lot to be excited about. This is super awesome. I can't wait to see the smile on people's faces when they actually make something off of their own cryptocurrencies and not just some isolated billionaires. Yeah, I think I believe, yeah, this is the right coin, definitely. Check this out. Just check this out. I just want to make sure that it's not a glitch. Let's check out some of the tweets on Twitter. This is the Dogelon Mars page. This is pretty awesome, isn't it? Eh? Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. Oh, this is cool. This is actually pretty. This is a pretty interesting picture. Yeah. So let's check out the tweets. Let's knock it out. Oh, check out this post. Isn't that awesome? Like that. It's all about timing. Always have, always will. With a rocket emoji. Soon, very soon. Oh wow! Check out this. This is so awesome. I know, but he can. You can't defeat me. Oh, you can't defeat me. Okay, Dad, how come we are so rich? I bought Elon price, okay, in 2021, like 6 units. Fucking legend. Oh my goodness, yeah, these guys. Yes, yes, yes. We are strong community. We will overtake Shiba Inu, inshallah. Part of the Muslim community as well, yeah. I sold my Elon. I never received the money. On top of that, they asked me to buy ETH so I can pay transaction fees. Please be aware that's a scam, people. It's not a scam, man. There's something going on there, man. It's not a scam. Dogelon is not a scam. I'm sorry. Dogelon is not a scam. If Elon Musk backs it, Elon Musk doesn't need to scam anyone. And Elon Musk is not going to hurt his reputation. No way. His reputation is the most important thing to him, I think, is the human evolution. And I think his reputation is also very important. But also, he doesn't really care what people says. But I don't really know him personally. Obviously, I mean, I haven't met him, but he seems to be a pretty good guy. Um, yeah, we need someone to look up to, and yeah, it's very important. There's even reprising. Is this Japanese or Chinese? Looks like Japanese. I don't know. I need to travel. Check this one. This gift from Matrix. Look again. Well, you know the rest. Okay. On the occasion of 300k followers, I hope we surprise the world very soon. That's it. Dodge Elon Army. That's it. Dodge Elon Army. That's it, guys. Yeah. Awesome. Flying high. Oh, check the 11%. I'm telling you, this is the bull run. Bitcoin, we're going to knock you right out of the park. How awesome is this? Super awesome. Right, guys, I hope you like this video. And yeah, for all the newbies, like and subscribe, eh? Helps me out. If you want to see more of this kind of content, please, guys, like and subscribe. Right. See you guys. See you in a bit, yeah? Cheers. Next video. Cheers.